Desi Khana gets a whole new twist on this episode of Vicky Goes Desi because you will not imagine that Desi Khana can be cool, Desi Khana can be healthy, and the best part is that Desi Khana is urban, it's nutritious, and it's fun. Let's start cooking. Today I'm going to be cooking Punjabi food but with a contemporary twist. So I've got a nice skinless, boneless chicken breast. Skinless means it's lean and healthy, and boneless indicates that this cooks really easy. Now I'm following a process which is called poaching. In poaching, the minimal amount of a flavorful liquid is used to cook anything. So let's start by making a beautiful aromatic liquid or a cooking liquor as we call it. So इसमें मैंने अभी थोड़ा सा पानी डाल दिया है. Now let's start flavoring our water. I have some long, I have some cinnamon sticks, दालचीनी, I have some star anise और मेरे पास थोड़ी सी इलायची है. ओके नाउ ये स्पाइसेस को मैं पहले पानी में डाल देता हूँ. ओके थोड़ी सी हल्दी. ओके थोड़ा सा रेड चिली पाउडर. ओके यार मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, आई एम एक्चुअली जस्ट फ्लेवरिंग द लिक्विड बिकॉज जब ये चिकन ब्रेस्ट इसमें धीमी आंच में पकेगा, इट्स गोना गेट रियली सक्यूलेंट एंड एट द सेम टाइम इट्स गोना पिक अप अ लॉट ऑफ फ्लेवर्स from this liquid. Now through this chicken breast what I'm doing is I'm just scoring it very lightly, so literally it flavors it inside as well. I have some lovely baby onions and adding it into my stock. What else? So we have a little bit of garlic which I'm going to bash, okay, which I'm going to put inside. थोड़ी सी अदरक भी डालेंगे हम इसमें. एक मिर्ची हम उसमें डाल देते हैं. लवली. नमक. ये एरोमेटिक स्टॉक या पोचिंग लिक्विड या पोचिंग लिकर एज वी कॉल इट ये बन गया है. जब मेरा चिकन इसमें पक जाएगा उसके बाद मैं चिकन को निकालूंगा एंड आफ्टर दैट आई एम गोइंग टू स्ट्रेन दिस ब्यूटीफुल एरोमेटिक लिक्विड और मैं चिकन का सॉस इसमें से ही बनाने वाला हूँ. सो ऑल द फ्लेवर इज एक्चुअली गोइंग बैक इनसाइड एंड देन सर्व्ड अलोंगसाइड विद दैट चिकन. तो लेट्स इसको थोड़ा मिक्स कर देते हैं. लेट मी टेस्ट हाउ दिस ब्यूटीफुल स्टॉक टेस्ट. वाओ एक्सीलेंट. सो Nice. I know what is missing. मेरे पास एक नींबू है. So I'm going to be adding a nice lemon, little juice, and along with the peel. So we have these beautiful dhania leaves and dhania ka stems, which will add a beautiful flavor to this. This fantastic stock will cook my chicken really well. Is I'm literally going to slide my chicken breast inside here. Okay, धीमी आंच पर हम इसे पकाएंगे so the chicken is slowly cooking and all the juices of the stock are going beautifully inside here. In the meanwhile, why don't we make a nice chutney? Let's start cooking. Why don't we make a nice yellow tomato and red tomato की चटनी? For the chutney मैंने क्या किया है, मैंने ये जो टमाटर है मैंने उसको ब्लांच कर लिया, यानी कि सिंपली टेकिंग द स्किन्स आउट व्हिच इज ऑप्शनल. लेट्स जस्ट ब्लेंड द टमाटोज. ओके वी हैव आवर रेड एंड येलो टमाटोज. इनटू दैट लेट्स ऐड अ कपल ऑफ ऑनियंस इन हियर. लेट्स ऐड सम जिंजर एंड मे बी वन चिली. ओके इन दैट a little bit of water, not too much. And let's quickly blitz this up. Fantastic, job done. यहाँ पर अभी हम बनाएंगे हमारा तड़का. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of olive oil in this kalonji chutney. lovely curry leaves here. Mustard seeds पहले, उसके बाद curry leaves, उसके बाद kalonji. Next. Yes. So we just got to give this a little stir. Now the flavor of the rye, the kalonji, is just fabulous. Now here, with my tomatoes, I've got chilies, I've got ginger, and I've got onion. So you can just imagine that lovely flavor. Next, I'm going to be adding some gur, yani ke jaggery. So it's going to be a nice sweetish kind of flavor to the kalonji ki chutney as well. Jaggery is one of the healthiest sweeteners. Into this, a little bit of dhania powder inside. And then we just slowly let this chutney cook beautifully. So my chicken breast is almost done on one side. बिल्कुल धीमी आंच पे हमारा chicken cook हो रहा है. And look at that lovely color which we've got from the haldi, and then all the other flavorings around it. Fabulous. So now I'm going to let it cook for a couple of minutes until it's done. So slowly this chutney is going to reduce, and believe me, this chutney can be used for multi-purpose things. You can use it for a sandwich, you can use it for a dip, you can use it a lot. So we're going to be adding a little bit of salt. Once it's done, we're going to add some fresh chopped dhania into it, and it's going to be a complete lip smacker. Yani ke chatpata. So a nice bullet chili inside, okay, is going to do the trick. So I've got a Thai bullet chili. And if you have some access to some bhut julakia, which is the beautiful, the most spiciest, but the most delicious chili in the world, go for it as well. So our chicken is kind of almost done. Let's keep our chicken on our cutting board. And then let's strain this in here. So you can see there's a lot of flavor in this. We're going to put this back. These lovely baby onions, I'm going to transfer it back inside for our sauce. उसके बाद हम ये जो हमारी चिकन ब्रेस्ट है उसको हम अंदर वापस डाल देते हैं, और फिर हम थोड़ा नारियल का दूध यानी कि कोकोनट मिल्क उसके ऊपर डाल देते हैं. फैंटास्टिक हो. तो इसको we are just going to give this a little move. But you can see that the whole stock is completely different. It's almost like a coconut soup with chicken. Delicious. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper from my hathoda. Beautiful. I think it's time to put it into a nice plate and enjoy. I have a beautiful plate. पहले तो हम इसमें हमारा सॉस डाल देते हैं at the bottom. मैं थोड़े चिकन को थोड़ा सा स्लाइस कर देता हूँ. So you can see the chicken still is really nice and juicy and pink inside. Delicious. Then so let's add a bit of crunch before we add our chutney actually inside. तो I'm just putting this क्योंकि एक नया टेक्सचर मिलेगा ऊपर. वाह, मजा आ गया. तो मेरे कैरेट स्ट्रिप्स यहाँ पे रेडी है. अब मेरे पास ये छोटे से ब्यूटीफुल अनियंस भी है. सो पहले हम डालते हैं हमारी कलौंजी की चटनी. फिर हम डालेंगे कैरेट के स्ट्रिप्स, और फिर हमारे बेबी अनियन के थोड़े रिंग्स इसमें, और फिर lovely fresh coriander leaves on here. Do you know that coriander is one of the oldest herbs that exists in civilization? It was actually found in Persia, and then it's traveled all around the world, and it is almost in every kitchen and almost in every dish. the poached masala chicken with a lovely coconut sauce, kalonji chutney and crispy vegetables आपके लिए तैयार है. Remember, health is wealth. You are what you eat. And listen, don't go away. I'll be back with some smashing recipes.
Smells good.